Hi everybody, I am Carl, and today I am going to do yet another appetizer for you because you know I love appetizers, but it's going to be a little bit different today because I've never tried this appetizer. I've never made it, I've never tasted it, I've never seen it. I was doing research for future videos and whatnot, and I was perusing through a Betty Crocker cookbook that I have from 1969. And I came across this recipe for, they're called Sesame Squares. Sounds, kind of fairly normal. And then I did further research. This recipe is nowhere other than in this book. So I don't know what happened. I don't know if it's delicious and it was overlooked. People just didn't make it. It's only one little paragraph. So maybe it was just overlooked, or it's really, really disgusting. So it's very simple. It's cream cheese dipped in toasted sesame seeds and then rolled in soy sauce. So a couple of issues with the recipe they provide. First, it's only for 9 little hors d'oeuvres, just one little block of cream cheese, and it doesn't specify which kind of soy sauce at all. Now, granted, maybe in 1969 they didn't have the options we have today, or they didn't have easy access to an Asian food specialty store that we have now. So they went to the store or their local grocery store and just got whatever soy sauce was there. Well, we have different options now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 9, I'm going to split them up into 3, 3, and 3. I'm going to do one in dark soy sauce. I'm going to do one in light soy sauce. And then I'm going to do one in the, I forgot to take out my packet, the little packets you get from the Chinese restaurants. Now, is it just me, or that soy sauce tastes different than anything you can get in the store for some reason? I've not been able to find any soy sauce that compares to the little packet ones, and I love the little packet ones. So I'm going to try those 3, and it's either going to be a total disaster, or together we actually may be responsible for bringing an overlooked delicious appetizer back into the forefront of societal consciousness. So let's get prepping. All right, now for the prep, it's so easy. You will need 3 ounces of cream cheese. The recipe called for 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, but I have more than that, and we're going to toast those. The recipe, for some reason, said to toast them in the oven at 350, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do it on the stovetop because it's easier and it comes out the same. And then the soy sauces. I have my dark soy sauce and my light soy sauce. Now, the difference between these two is that dark soy sauce has more of a sodium level, and it's sweeter than the light soy sauce. So say you were doing a stir fry with the dark soy sauce, it's gonna color the noodles or the rice a nice dark brown color, whereas the light sauce or soy sauce won't do that as much. So, but the taste is different. This is clearly less sodium. And then the wonderful Chinese restaurant packet soy sauce. I'm going to try that as well. So the recipe says to just cut this block into 9. So I will do that. Okay. Okay, that's a real big glob of cream cheese. So let's go ahead and put them on some. Ooh, I'm going really all out fancy for you today. I have some little swords. But I'm going to color code them so I know which soy sauce is which. This is going to be the dark soy sauce. This will be the light soy sauce. And this is going to be the packet soy sauce. Okay. That's it for your prep, other than toasting the sesame seeds. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, time to toast the sesame seeds. So I'm going to start on probably about medium high, and just pour the sesame seeds right in there. Now it's going to take a while. You have to keep them moving so they don't burn. I have toasted sesame seeds before, so let's give this a minute to start. Now what's going to happen is as it toasts, you're going to start hearing it crackling, like a little bit like popcorn, but quieter. See how they're starting to turn a little brown. This is where you really have to start watching it because they're going to toast very fast. Oh, look at that. So you had it off the heat and it already got darker. I hear any crackling though. Okay, that looks good. See how nice and brown they are now? Now I have to take them out of the pan and let them cool off. Okay, we're ready to go ahead and start assembling this. The sesame seeds have cooled down, and this is all you have to deal with. So the recipe says to dip them in the sesame seeds and then roll them in the soy sauce. So I'm going to do all 9 of these, and then it said to put them back in the fridge, I guess to maybe set up a bit because the cream cheese probably gets too soft in the room temperature. But it was non-specific, so let's go ahead and get these coated with the sesame seeds. Ooh, they stick nice and easy. Okay. Oops. Okay. And we have them all coated in sesame seeds. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, now we're going to dip them in the soy sauces. We'll do the dark soy sauce first. So to just roll them. Okay, I'm assuming we're going to lose some of the seeds. Okay, out of the way. Now we'll do the light soy sauce. And now the packet soy sauce, which I'm thinking may be more of a light soy sauce because it doesn't seem to be making the cream cheese dark. So, okay. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and throw these in the fridge for about a half hour and let them set up, and we'll give it a taste test. They don't look bad. Okay, we're back. Now the sesame squares have cooled off, set up. They don't look bad. They actually smell very sesame seed. Sesame. Is that a word, sesame? It is now. Sesame. Now the recipe says to dip them back into soy sauce, but it doesn't specify if you have to do them and then put them back on the platter and serve them, or you serve it as a dipping sauce. So I'm just going to use them as a dipping sauce right now. And it also said to put a sprig of parsley on each if desired. I don't desire. So there will be no parsley sprigs. I think it was only for garnishment and just to make them look prettier than what they do. So this is good. Let's try the dark soy sauce first. Dip it back in. Cheers. Really salty. Kind of gooey because of the cream cheese. Let's try one more of the dark soy sauce. Very unusual. Very soy saucy. Soy saucy. Can't say that I would serve that so far. Let's try the light soy sauce. Actually, let me get some water. Okay, let's try the light soy sauce. Again, not as salty as the first one, as the dark soy sauce, but still really salty. And I'm a saltaholic, so for me to be saying that, it's, yeah. Let's go ahead and try the packet soy sauce. Cheers. That's actually not too bad. So I would not serve these with the dark soy sauce or the light soy sauce. I would possibly try it with the packet soy sauce, but I would even go one step further and maybe put a little bit of toasted sesame seed oil in there, just a little bit, because that's really powerful stuff. So you don't want to overwhelm it. Mix it in good with the soy sauce and then dip it. I think it would enhance the toasted sesame flavor. But otherwise, I think it was a hit and a miss. I kind of understand why it didn't really kind of make it out of that that one cookbook. So let's try this one more time with the packet soy sauce. Yeah. And also maybe make the cubes a little smaller. There's a lot of cream cheese. Kind of feel like I'm just biting into a brick of cream cheese. So that's it. Go ahead, give it a try if you want. Let me know how you like it. If you like it, you don't like it. I'm on the fence. So let me know how you did. And that's it for today's video. I hope you all have a great day and smile. Bye-bye.